What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be playing some Roblox Gunfight Arena. Now, we have recently have just gotten the new links, okay? So, I just got the new links and it's a very good sniper. I just tried it out, but now I'm gonna showcase it in this video. So, let's go. And so, we're on the moon map right now. As you can see, there's 5 minutes left. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get some kills. Okay, just by seeing the okay, the no scopes aren't really that good. Yeah, the no scopes aren't good. One sec, let's try to no scope. And also, guys, I am gonna be uploading 3 more videos after this of Gunfight Arena, which are all gonna be of secondaries. Okay, but I'm not gonna tell you what secondary all those 3 are gonna be of, so you're just gonna have to wait. Although there is some stuff going on right now, but I must still try to upload the new video tomorrow. So let's go right now. So this is the links. Oh my god, the headshot did like 215. That's a lot of damage. Like if I headshot one guy and there's like a guy standing right in front behind him, I think he would die too. Like imagine the collaterals. Oh my gosh. But where are these guys? Yes. Okay, by looking at the gameplay already, this is a very decent gun. Like, this is at the least you could say decent. Literally, at least you could say decent because it's a very good gun. Like, look at it. But I think there's a problem with it. I don't know why, but like all the snipers always have this problem. The recoil. Like, watch this. Watch this. What the hell is that recoil? Let me try to get some kills and let me show you them. Yeah, you see that? You saw that recoil? The recoil is like the one thing that will then mess you up. So if they lower the recoil a little on this, I think it would be way better. Lesser recoil would be way better. Like this is just like the M21. It has so much recoil and does a lot of damage. It's not like you have to shoot one bullet, cock it, one bullet, cock it. It's not like that. Okay? And this is also a very decent damaging sniper. Like most of the times, snipers don't really do this much damage. They only do like a little, like maybe 100 on headshots, but this is doing like 215 on headshots. Most of the snipers do only like 100 on a headshot. But like the Mosin, when it headshots, then only it's a one shot. Other and the same case, but it isn't the same case with this. Even if you like hit them on the like a body shot, it is still like I'm pretty sure one shot. Like I haven't two shotted anyone right now. Yeah, you see that? You see that? 153 on body shot. Really, like still, it's not below 100 even on body shots. So this just shows like how good this is. I got this from the weapon crate. So if you want this gun, you can buy it from the weapon crates, and it might just cost you a little keys, a little amount of keys, probably like 50. One weapon crate costs like 25, so or 30. Yeah, one weapon crate costs like 40, so I think you could like uh get this easily, like 30, 30, 30. So you would, I got this on my second try. First try, I got some other gun, I don't remember, the Evo. Yeah, I got the Evo on the first try. Then the second try, I got the Lynx. I was so happy when I got the Lynx. Like I've heard this is like a very good sniper. I've been killed by this a lot. Like a lot of people have just like sniped me at this so much. Like since then, I've wanted this gun so bad. But now I finally have it. And by the way, guys, look at this. The Lynx in all its glory. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Alright. Oh my god, how did I hit the headshot? Oh my god, I hit his hairline. Literally. Bro got hit on his hairline. Bro's hairline is gone. Literally. Oh my god. That was scary. I don't know why, but that just felt so scary. And by the way, in a few minutes, I'm going to do out of 10 rating of this gun. Okay, so in the end, I'm going to do out of 10 rating, and I'm also gonna tell you guys a few maps which you should definitely use this on if you have it. But yeah, so let's just focus on getting some kills now instead of yapping. He's right there. Oh my god, Deagle, 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 Deagle! Bro, I'm so close to prestige. Wait, will I make the prestige? Nah, I won't make it right now. I'm already on like prestige 11. I'm not. I think I might get to 12, but not in the video. Nah, not in the video. After this match, I'm gonna tell what I just said. Alright. Alright. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh. Oh. Okay. So now, guys, I am gonna be doing an out of 10 rating. So, by seeing all the gameplay, all the no scoping and the scoping, I think this is a 7.5 out of 10. I think it got a 7.5 because of the recoil. The recoil really messes you up. Like if you're on a huge map like Happy Hood, then the recoil is the one thing that you do not want to happen. Like if there are like 3 people in the center, you're trying to snipe them and you just lose your like your magazine is over or you just don't have more bullets. Oh my god, the recoil will also always mess you up. So like you can't really go solo against 3 people. So yeah, but now I think the 3 best maps to play with this on are Happy Hood, Hangfire, and the Moon. These I think are my favorite ones to play with this sniper on. Okay, and I think another problem is like, yeah, I don't know, but still the recoil is not good. And the no scoping, it's really not that accurate with no scope. It's not that accurate. You see that? It's not really accurate with the no scopes. But that was the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this of Gunfight Arena. And make sure to stay tuned for 3 more videos of secondaries in Gunfight Arena. Goodbye.